Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. This is MBBS Niger. Kindly do subscribe to this channel if you haven't, okay? In this tutorial, we'll be talking about teeth structure and dentition, okay? So basically, when you're talking about the gastrointestinal physiology, it's always fair to always talk about the teeth because the teeth is actually what aids in making the first process of mechanical digestion come to be, okay? So in this lecture, we'll be talking about the teeth structure and dentition. So basically, guys, this is your teeth. On the teeth, we have the enamel, we have the dentine, we have the dental pulp, we have the cementum. Okay. Then these various parts was subdivided into the outer one and the inner one. So we have the root. Okay, that is actually the structure holding the tooth. Okay. Then we have the crown too. Okay, so basically, guys, the tooth is a complex structure that plays an important role in our daily lives. It is made up of several parts, including what the crown, the neck, and the root. Okay, the crown is a visible part of the tooth and contains three parts. Uh, we have the anatomical crown, we have the enamel, and we have the dentine. Okay, anatomical crown is basically like the outer part. Okay, the one you could see. But inner, we have the enamel, then followed by the dentine. Okay. Then we said the tooth also has a neck. That should be like this region that is between the crown and the root. Okay, it should be the neck. Okay. So now the neck is also called the dental cervix, and it sits between the crown and the root, and has what three main parts. Okay, that's the gum, the pulp, and the pulp cavity. Okay. This is it, and we are done with the structure of the tooth. And now we'll be talking about dentition. Okay, so now baby teeth are they are basically like 20 in number when the baby is at least 2 years. Okay, then adult teeth are basically 32 in number, and they erupt between 6 to 25 years. Okay, so talking about this now, we'll be talking about these teeth and the time at which they erupt. So the central incisor erupts between 6 to 9 months. Um, the lateral incisor erupts between 7 to 11 months. The canine erupts what 16 to 20 months, and the first molar erupts what 12 to 16 months. The second molar also erupts what 20 to 26 months. Okay, then this is like based on like baby dentition. Okay, then talking about permanent teeth, now it is in years, okay, not months again. So central incisor is replaced between 8 to 6 to 12 years, lateral incisor 7 to 9 years, canine 9 to 12 years, first premolar 10 to 12 years, second premolar 10 to 12 years too, first molar 6 to 7 years, second molar 11 to 13 years, third molar 17 to 25 years. Okay, so I'd just like you guys to note that almost all everything is like in range, okay, because it is different in individuals, but at least within this range it should occur in a normal individual. So now, still talking about the structure of the tooth, so that the root is a part of the tooth that extends into the bone and holds the tooth in place. Now, it makes up approximately 2/3 of the tooth and is made up of several parts, which include the root canal, the cementum, the periodontal ligament, the nerves, the blood vessels, and the jawbone. Okay, still talking about the tooth structure, we said that the periodontal ligament is a modified what? Periosteum. Okay, this is a periodontal ligament. How about the cementum and dentine? They are basically living tissues. This is cementum, all right, And where is dentine? This is dentine, okay? So they are living tissue. Then how about the enamel? The enamel is a non-cellular secretion formed during tooth development. How about the root canal? This is basically the root of the tooth, okay? So it leads into the pulp cavity, okay, and holds the tooth in place. Then how about the gingiva or gums, right? They're the red stuff you see. All right, so the gingiva or gums are, well, I say they also aid in holding the tooth in place, okay? So basically, guys, that's the idea on structure of the teeth and also dentition. Okay. So I hope you guys understood this lecture and I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture. I have a different lecture on a comprehensive lecture on how um, um, the baby teeth erupts and also the permanent teeth erupt. Okay. So I think that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.